Hello, and welcome. Let's get straight into something life-changing. The reality you live today is not the only one available to you. You can resurrect your deepest aspirations and start living the life you truly desire. But how? The key lies in understanding the power within you, the power to shape your own reality. You see, the life you experience right now, the life you've been given, is not the life you have to settle for. It is not the final chapter of your story. If you are dissatisfied with your present circumstances, if you are not where you want to be, there is a way out, an escape that is entirely within your control. That escape begins when you realize that you are the one who creates your world, not the other way around. We often think that life happens to us, that circumstances dictate our experience. But the truth is, life responds to us. What you experience today is the result of the thoughts, beliefs, and emotions you have been carrying. The good news is that if you don't like what you're experiencing, you have the ability to change it. This isn't some far-fetched idea. It is a law of life, a law that you can harness to transform your world. This is where resurrection comes in. No, not in a religious sense, but in the sense of resurrection as a process of awakening. Your desires, your goals, and your dreams are not lost, they are simply dormant within you. And just like the process of resurrection, you have the power to awaken those aspirations and bring them to life. Start by recognizing that the only reason you are not experiencing your ideal life is because you've not yet given full attention and belief to it. Your thoughts are a powerful force. They shape the world around you. The key is not to simply think about what you want, but to truly feel it as if it is already yours. Think about this for a moment. You have the ability to imagine any scenario, any version of your life, and experience it as vividly as you experience the reality around you. Your imagination is the doorway to everything you desire. But this isn't just about imagining things and hoping they happen. It is about embodying that reality. To truly bring your aspirations to life, you must live in the state of having them now. You might wonder how this is possible. It's simple. You are already living in the world you've created through your own thoughts and beliefs. This moment is a reflection of what you have believed to be true. If you want to change the reflection, you need to change the belief. The process of resurrection is simply a shift in perception, a shift in how you see yourself and your life. Start by identifying the areas where you feel unfulfilled. What do you want to change? It could be your career, your relationships, your health, or your personal growth. Whatever it is, you have the power to recreate it. Once you identify what you want, you must see it vividly in your mind's eye. You must see yourself in the ideal circumstances you desire. But here's the important part, it's not enough to see it. You have to live in the feeling of it. You have to feel what it would feel like to already be living your ideal life. This is where most people go wrong. They think that changing their circumstances will bring them the feeling of success, happiness, or fulfillment. But in reality, it's the feeling that must come first. You must feel the success, the happiness, feel the fulfillment as if it is already yours. Once you feel it deeply, once you truly believe that it is already happening, your outer world will begin to reflect this inner transformation. This is where the magic happens. When you begin to resurrect your aspirations, to see them as already realized, you are no longer a passive participant in life. You become the creator of your reality. You are no longer waiting for things to happen. You are making them happen. It's easy to get caught up in the belief that things have to be hard, that life has to be a struggle. We've been conditioned to think that success is earned through effort and hardship. But the truth is, success comes when you align yourself with the energy of what you desire. When you embody the feeling of your aspirations, things begin to flow effortlessly. The universe responds to your vibration. So, how do you resurrect your aspirations? You start by changing your internal world. Your thoughts, your beliefs, your emotions, all of these shape the world you experience. If you want to experience something new, you must first think new thoughts, hold new beliefs, and feel new emotions. It may seem difficult at first, especially if you've spent years living with limiting beliefs or thinking that certain things are impossible for you. But, the past does not define your future. You are not bound by your past actions, thoughts, or circumstances. You are free to create a new reality at any moment. The process of resurrection is about shifting your identity. It's about seeing yourself as the person who already has everything you desire. When you can fully identify with the version of yourself who has already achieved your goals, you will find that your external world begins to change in miraculous ways. You are not your past, and you are not the limitations of your current circumstances. You are the creator of your reality. When you begin to see yourself as a powerful creator, when you step into the role of the person who already has what they desire, everything changes. Now, I know that some of you may be thinking, this all sounds too simple. Can it really work for me? Yes, it can. The reason this works is because it is not about changing your external world first. It's about changing the way you see yourself, the way you think, and the way you feel. When you align yourself with the vibration of your desires, your outer world will begin to shift. You may not see immediate results, and that's okay. The key is consistency. You must continue to live in the feeling of your ideal life, even when your circumstances don't yet reflect it. The more you align with your ideal self, the more the universe will respond. The process of resurrection is not about forcing things to happen. It's about allowing yourself to become the person who already has what you desire. When you live in the feeling of already having it, the universe will begin to rearrange itself to bring it to you. You are the creator of your reality. You are not a passive observer in life. The world you experience is a reflection of what you believe to be true. If you want to change your world, change your beliefs. Resurrect your aspirations by stepping into the version of yourself who already has everything you desire. The power to create your ideal life is already within you. You don't have to wait for the perfect moment, or for the right circumstances. You have the power to bring your ideal life into existence right now. It starts with your thoughts, your beliefs, and your emotions. When you align these with your desires, you will begin to see your world transform. Your aspirations are not merely dreams, they are glimpses into the life you are meant to live. Too often, we look at the world around us and see it as static, as if our circumstances are unchangeable. But the truth is, the outer world is simply a mirror of the inner one. What you think, feel, and believe shapes the reality you experience. Therefore, if you want to change your life, you must start by changing how you see yourself and how you view your goals. If you've ever felt that your dreams are out of reach, or that the path to your ideal life is unclear, it's because you've been looking outside of yourself for the answers. The secret to unlocking your ideal life lies within. It starts with a shift in consciousness. The first step is to stop seeing yourself as a victim of circumstances. Life does not dictate your path, you do. You are not bound by limitations, struggles, or the past. When you realize that your mind holds the power to shape your experience, a whole new world opens up. It's like a seed being planted in the soil of your mind, a seed of possibility. You have the ability to nurture that seed and watch it grow into the life you desire. It all begins with how you see yourself and your potential. When you begin to see yourself as the creator of your reality, you take back control. You no longer wait for things to change, you actively create the change you want to see. So, take a moment today to reflect on what you truly desire. See yourself as already living that life. Feel the emotions that come with it. Live as if it is already true. This is the process of resurrection, the awakening of your deepest aspirations. And as you do this, you will begin to experience the life you've always dreamed of. You have the power to resurrect your aspirations and live the life you desire. It starts with you, and it starts now. Don't wait for things to change, change the way you see yourself, and everything around you will shift. Your ideal life is waiting for you. Step into it today.